guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So first, head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and open up your file that includes the text that you would like to copy. Now from here, all you have to do is highlight the text that you would like to copy. Then you can simply click on the copy text if this section appears, or you can also press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard, then head back to the file in which you want to paste that text. So say for example, we want to paste it in this PDF file, and to get started, click on the edit button, and here you can just paste it on this existing fields. All you have to do is right click and click on paste, or you can also press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!